Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the phone and completing the essentials so it runs smoothly. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once done, choose your language and region. Connect to a trusted Wi-Fi network so activation is fast, then sign in with your Apple ID to sync iCloud, contacts, and photos. Make sure to enable Find My and set a secure passcode. This protects data and lets you restore settings if you switch devices. Once your account is active, migrate data using Quick Start or restore from an iCloud backup so apps and layout match your old device. Follow on screen prompts to position the old phone for transfer. If not available, download backups selectively. Configure biometric unlocking, Face ID or Touch ID for faster secure access, then tune notifications and privacy settings to limit background tracking. Install high-priority apps. Finish by updating iOS to the latest release for security and performance. Make sure to restart after the update to complete installations. Customize Control Center, widgets, and home screen folders to speed access to the features you use most. If you encounter problems, try a force restart first, then reset network settings to fix connectivity. If backups fail, check iCloud storage and sign in status. For persistent hardware or activation issues, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.